Next time, don't let your guard down because of a pair of big goo-goo eyes. Oh, it's like I keep telling you. You gotta stay focused and you...
Are you, all right, miss?
Megara. My friends call me Meg, at least they would if I had any friends. So, did they give you a name along with all those rippling pectorals? Are you always this articulate?
Hercules. My name is Hercules.
Hercules? I think I prefer Wonder Boy.
Hey. Wow. Oh, Jesus. Just looking at myself. Make it stop. Ugh. Hey friends, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be getting ready to go absolutely nowhere. Disneyland Dapper Day just passed, or would have just passed this past weekend, April 12th. And Disney World Dapper Day was supposed to be coming up early May, and now neither one of those events is happening, well, because of the situation that we're all in right now, which is unfortunate, sad, but yeah, there are other bigger problems and things to deal with in the world right now, but still, you can't help but still miss the little things like that. I was super excited to meet up with a few of my vintage ladies and gals, and we can't do that anymore, but you know what? It doesn't mean you still can't celebrate at home and get ready to sit on your sofa and watch Disney movies and celebrate Dapper Day on your own. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm not going to be doing the Dapper Day outfit that I had originally planned because I'm going to save that one for the next Dapper Day, whenever that is, 2025, I don't know. But what I am going to be doing is a Meg from Hercules vintage inspired Dapper Day outfit. Woo! I love Meg. She is super sassy. Someone on here requested that I do a look from her. And so yeah. So why don't we just get right into it, make myself look a little less potato-y. This look should be pretty simple, pretty straightforward. I'm gonna do my face, my foundation, start off with my primer. So like, if you can't tell, my face is breaking out. I don't know what's going on, so I'm gonna really have to lather this on because my face has been angry. I just got this NYX foundation. As soon as I opened it, brand spanking new. I totally had a Ryan from Chili's moment when he has that Chili's moment. Yeah, that was me with this foundation. It was lovely. So I lost like half of it, but at least I still have product. Oh my God, I look like the ghost from Christmas past. But I promise you that this is all gonna get fixed. This is gonna be a 40s inspired look. Really focusing on the colors and whatnot. I'm not trying to do like her brows or anything, so I'm just gonna go with a just sharper, thick brow that is a bit more traditional to like the 1940s, so like my regular brows that I do, because I don't want to do and mimic her brows because then I'm gonna look really cartoony and just weird. She has like more 1920s looking brows going on, or 30s even maybe. I don't want to do that. I don't want to deal with it, so I'm just gonna focus at the top of my eyebrows. And yeah. Ooh, these girls are gonna be thick caterpillars. Wow. Ooh, well, too late to go back now. Let's zoom you in. What? There we go. Hey, now that that's done, I'm gonna move right into the eyeshadow. No messing around here. I'm gonna take my eyeshadow primer from e.l.f. and just rub it all into my eyelids nicely to prep it for those eyeshadow colors. And Meg has purple eyeshadow, so that is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take 2 purple eyeshadow colors and a lighter one on the lid and then a darker one on the crease. I originally wanted to do something super sparkly and out there, but I just felt like it didn't go with the entire look I was trying to get, so we're just going with a simple purple eyeshadow. Nothing too crazy, which is great because if you're trying to recreate this, it's super easy. That's pretty good. Is good. And then I'm gonna take the color Buono Fresco from my Anastasia palette. This little guy right here. It's a more earth tone brownish purple, and I'm gonna blend that into my crease with a fluffier brush. I'm gonna take a sparkly purple versus the matte colors that I have, so that'll be a nice contrast, and just dip that into this color called Milky Way and dab that on to the middle. Dab, 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 dab. Ooh, yes, girl. Meg has like all around the eye eyeliner. She has very like dramatic catty eyes, so I'm gonna do eyeliner all around, starting off with my pencil. I'm gonna try to go for a dramatic catty eye. So I'm also bringing it down to like my waterline. Ooh, this part always gets me. Now that I have applied the pencil liner all around, I'm just gonna go over it with my liquid liner. A little dramatic, a little uneven, but it's fine. We're just gonna go with it. I have these lashes that I have no idea where the heck they are from, and I have 3. I don't know why. I only have 2 eyes, but I have 3 lashes hanging around. So I'm gonna be using these. They're old as heck. I'm gonna try to get one more use out of them because, yeah. I feel like it's been like the longest time ever since I've put lashes on. Almost feels weird. Oh me lord. Putting those on definitely made it feel like it's been a while since I put lashes on because that sucked. We can move on from the eyes now to the rest of the face. Now I'm just gonna conceal. I think I'm gonna do a little shadow on the bottom lash line just to bring a speck of drama into things. All that is left to do is for me to contour and bronze my pale as heck face. I'm taking this little palette from Tarte's Cosmetics and just powdering away. And you know, she's supposed to be like resembling sort of a Greek goddess or Greek character. So I'm gonna take this bronzer, pressed powder highlighter, which looks very bronzy from the ColourPop designer collection. And we're gonna go in with some of that too, because why not? Give me all the sparkle and color in my face. Ooh. Almost kind of doubles as a blush. Ooh, that is really nice. Finally for the lips, Meg's lips are like a brick mauve, somewhere in between. They kind of change a bit. So I am going to line my lips with the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Copenhagen, which is like a dark color. And then I'm gonna fill it in with the Liquid Catsuit lipstick from Wet n Wild in Give Me Mocha. Mocha. Ooh, they looking big. That really filled them in. Okay, well, I guess we'll just go with it. I feel like gold is goes so well with Greek mythology. So I'm gonna apply a little bit of this metal lip gloss, which is technically like a dry matte lip color, but metallic to the center of my lips to bring in some golden goodness. And now that the makeup is done, wow, I'm really starting to feel like a little bit less of a bum. The power of makeup, I tell you. What the heck? Now we can just move on to the hair, which is really simple. Meg has a big old, she has a lot of hair. She has long hair. I was originally trying to do like a ponytail with a look, a vintage ponytail, which there are some cute ones, which would go with kind of like what she had going on, but it didn't look good with the outfit. It looked too youthful with the outfit that I'm going for. Instead, what I'm gonna do is some bumper bangs, which kind of replicate nicely the whole thing she has going on in the front. And no, I didn't set my hair for this. It's a mess, but it's fine. We're just gonna work with it. And I'm gonna take my hair wrap my hair inwards, and then twist it all the way up and pin the hair rat in place with some bobby pins. And then I'm just gonna pull the hair out to cover the hair rat. There we go. And then the rest, well, I don't want to put it in a ponytail, but I am just going to pin it back to kind of like have the hair pinned back. A bobby pin or 200. And I can't forget, because her color is purple, I want to put some purple flowers to bring in some like, bam, extra color and like funness. Did I just make that word up? Funness? And I'm gonna just pin these in to the sides of my head. I'm gonna put in some blue or colored contacts in. I don't know if I will. We'll see. Maybe. I'm gonna put on a purple, tight 1940s looking dress. It was actually provided to me for free by the lovely company A-Size. I think I'm pronouncing that. Hold on. A-Size. A-Size is how you pronounce it. A-Size reached out to me and they were like, hey, we want to send you a few dresses to see if you'd like them. So they didn't pay me, but they gave me a few dresses for free if I felt like including them in one of my videos. So yeah, I'm including them in this video. I thought one of the purple dresses that they gave me, I thought would work perfect for this mag dress, but they also gave me 3 other super cute ones that I absolutely loved and have used for other looks too. I'll link their website down below. I believe that you can also buy them on Amazon. I was super excited that they reached out because I've seen other gals in the vintage community like partner with them or like wear their dresses, and actually I was like this close to buying a dress from them when they reached out to me. They're stretchy material, so they're vintage replica, kind of like spandex feeling dresses, which for me, I personally like. I like the spandex stretchy feeling, especially because it like brings everything in nicely. That really works for me, but anyways, I'm gonna go with the purple dress. So now I'm gonna go change and I will be right back. And there you have it, folks. I did also add a sash to the dress, just a purple scarf that I had to imitate that sash that she has. Very 1940s, sort of a femme fatale. I really miss Disneyland, and I hope that they open it sometime soon. I'm sure if you're a Disney fan like me, you're feeling the same way. Hoping that we can all soon be back. Who knows when that's gonna happen. I thought it would also be really cool to just leave you guys with some footage in case you miss looking at Disneyland of my many past times at Disney. Like for the past 6 years, I've been going regularly. So yeah, I don't know. I want to leave you guys with some of my favorite footage so that we can all just look in awe and wonder of what that beautiful place is and that it's there waiting for us when this whole thing is over. I'll insert the footage here at the end. Hopefully you guys enjoyed me getting ready to go nowhere. And thank you so much for all the love, by the way, on my Pachuco 1940s fashion history video. I've gotten a lot of really sweet messages and it means so much. It was a little scary making that video because I didn't know how people would react or even be interested in it. And considering how small my channel is, it's been getting some good traction. I've been getting some like really heartfelt messages, comments, personal messages about it. So I'm glad that you guys liked it, and I can't wait to bring you guys more of that in-depth stuff. But yeah, for now we have a chill video. If you like this video, like this video. If you're a fan of Meg, like this video. If you like Hercules, like this video. If you like Disney, like this video. If you just like to like videos, like this video. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this one. I would love to be y'all friend and have you back on here. So now I'm just gonna leave you with the footage of Disneyland and all those wonderful memories. Sending you a really, really big virtual hug wherever it is that you are in the world. Remember that I love you, I do. And I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye.
Never give and I'll never be this. Sing songs, us sings this. Never give and I'll never be this. Sing songs, us sing.